This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. In the Heart of Choestoe RV lot located in the beautiful Twin Creeks RV Park. Amazing creekfront lot with fire pit area. Outbuilding and outdoor furniture already in place. Park features a community pavilion on a fast-flowing creek with a stone fireplace, laundry and bath facilities, as well as all-level paved roads. Yearly HOA fee includes water, sewer, lawn service, and trash. Conveniently located close to Vogel State Park, Helton Falls, and Brasstown Bald. Call me today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828-361-2074.